Another convenient feature built into Bluebeam is to be found in the preferences dialog panel. If you go into review, go into preferences, go into interface, go into the markups list, and the first one in the menu there, zoom fit markups when selected. I've got mine checked. What that allows me to do is when I'm going through and I'm checking my markups to make sure I've annotated everything correctly, I've come across this radius measurement, which could mean anything. I should have renamed it at the time, but I sloppily didn't. So if I click on that, what Bluebeam will do, it will automatically take me straight to that markup without having to go through the whole drawing trying to find it, and allows me to rename it on the spot, which is quite a handy feature. If you notice, it will take us directly to any of these markups directly. So, you know, if you're checking through and you've forgotten to extend, put a height in, rename it properly, that's a very quick and convenient way to locate items within the markups list on the drawing so they correspond. Hope that helps.